In this video, I'll show you the procedure to accept gift on Steam. In order to accept gift on Steam, it's a very simple procedure. First of all, you have to launch the Steam application on your device. So once you are logged in, you want to click on the profile info or the username from the top left corner of the screen. Then you want to simply go to inventory. So as you go to inventory, you'll see this interface something like this. You have this trade offer right over here. So you could go ahead and click on the trade offers. This is going to take you to the next field. So here you'll be able to find the gift card, or there will be something like accept or decline. If you want to accept the gift card, then you simply want to click the accept button. Follow on the on-screen prompt. In my case, I do not have any sort of gift right now at the moment, so I will not be able to accept it. So when you have this option accept or decline, you simply want to click on accept, then go ahead and follow the instructions. With that being said, you'll be able to accept gift on Steam. That's the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.